Today we are going to paint one of the easiest things. It's quick, it's loose, and it's perfect for anyone wanting to get creative without the pressure of perfection. So let's dive in. We're getting out our filbert paintbrush and we're loading it with color. We're using some pinks and oranges and some yellows and a touch of purple. So these are flowers. They're the easiest flowers you will ever paint. They're simple, they're loose, and you don't need to have too much brush control with them. Touching in with a bit of yellow just to lighten up some of the pieces. For the stems, all I'm going to do is go in with some green and just drag that green down. Keep it simple, and I make my stems with a little bit of a curve. Don't worry if they're not perfect, and if your hand wobbles, that's okay, it's just a leaf. Speaking of leaves, tap your brush in a few times to create these tiny little bits of stems and leaves all over the place. The details don't really matter because the leaves are spontaneous and it just pulls the whole piece together. So now I can't resist adding a bit of splatter. It really makes the painting pop, adds a bit of sparkle, and a dab in the center of each flower makes it shine. And that's it, another day of painting for 30 days. This was day 10. If you loved it, give it a like. If you haven't already subscribed, I would love to have you as a viewer. And I'll see you tomorrow.